Today we're gonna talk about very important topic in the world of fish keeping: how to properly acclimate your fish. Many people focus solely on acclimating your fish for temperature, and while that is very important, many people miss another thing that kills more fish in this hobby than water temperature. I've learned the wrong way. It cost me my fish, so gonna make this video to help you hopefully avoid that mistake, and that's acclimating for pH. Why is that so important? Well, let's go back a couple of months. I woke up 5 o'clock in the morning, got ready, still dark, walked into my garage, and my feet were wet. Look around and realized, bloody, there was no water in my 6-foot fish tank. So I quickly scooped up all the fish I could, and I got them into my aquarium inside the house. A couple of days later, 9 fish I took from that garage into my fish tank inside. I think 7 of them were dead. I couldn't figure out why. So a few days later, I decided to test pH in my fish tank inside, and it was at around 7.8. I've tested my water off the tap, and it was coming at flat 7. So what happened? Well, the fish tank I had inside was purchased second-hand, came with about 3 inches of substrate in it already, sand, and as it turns out, had some coral mixed through it, which raised my pH. So I put my fish from one fish tank that was at 7 pH to the fish tank inside that was 8 pH, or almost 8, and it killed them. How to avoid that? So when you get your fish home, I need you to acclimate it a little bit differently to avoid my mistake. Open up your bag, float it on top of your tank like this. So next thing you're gonna do is start with very small amounts of fish tank water and put it in that bag. Alright, so first one, 1/8 of the cup, as you can see. Let it sit for a few minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, then put a bit more water. So if you started with 1/8 of the cup, go to 1/4 of the cup, go to 1/2 of a cup, and go that way till you triple the water that fish came in. Yes, triple. By that time, over a period of 45 minutes to an hour, that's usually what I do, the pH should come close to what you have in your fish tank as well. Let's face it, I've never had fish die from water temperature. If I'm changing water in my big fish tank in the garage that I'm keeping Oscars in, I'll take 20, 30, 40% of water out every couple of weeks or so, and I'll put cold water in it. The temperature drops down a degree or two, but my fish have no issues with it. But if you do that with pH, and if you put a fish from pH of 7 into pH of 8, their gills will burn and there's no saving them. They're gone. Let's start acclimating our fish the proper way. Let's acclimate for temperature, let's acclimate for pH, because in my opinion and in my experience, they are as equally important. There we go, the fish are in, they're happy, they're healthy, and they're gonna survive, which is most important. Thanks for watching.